today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Truist bank locations near me. If you need to locate a nearby Truist branch or ATM, the process is quick and straightforward. Whether you're looking for a place to handle banking in person, withdraw cash, or simply confirm what's available in your area, Truist's Location Finder makes it easy to search. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Truist website at truist.com. Once the site loads, look for the section that helps you find a branch or ATM near you. This is the part of the website designed specifically to help customers search by location, so it's the right place to begin if you want accurate and up-to-date results. After you reach the branch and ATM locator page, you'll see a search field. In that search box, type in your city, your zip code, or your full address. Any of these options should work, so you can use whatever is most convenient. If you want broader results, entering a city or zip code is a good choice. If you want more precise results close to a specific place, entering a full address can be more helpful. Once you've entered your location, click the search button. This tells the site to look up nearby Truist locations based on the information you provided. Make sure your spelling and numbers are correct before searching, especially if you're using a full street address, since that can help avoid incorrect or limited results. After you click search, the nearby locations will appear on the screen. You should see branches or ATMs in your area, making it easier to choose the one that works best for you. In many cases, location finder tools like this may also display results on a map, which can help you quickly understand which option is closest. As you review the results, take a moment to look carefully at each location shown. This can help you decide which branch or ATM is the most convenient based on distance and accessibility. If you don't see the result you expected, try adjusting your search slightly by using a nearby zip code, a shorter address format, or simply your city name. That's all it takes to find Truist bank locations near you. It's a simple tool, but it can save time and make planning your visit much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.